Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn a new Google's product, Google Forms. We are also going to learn how to integrate these Google Forms in our WordPress projects. It may seem very familiar or simple, but Google Forms are really useful and a lot of students find it difficult. They do not know how to properly use it. Today we are going to design an entire form step by step, and also we are going to integrate it to the WordPress website. So what is the need for a Google form? Google form helps us collect responses. Say for example, we are a student in a college, we are asked to organize an event, we are going to conduct a quiz competition, and we need details of students who wishes to participate in the event. Create a Google form, send a link to them, ask them to fill the details, we can save it in our database. What's a database? Collection of data about a particular event and saving it in our computer is database. We can call them back and ask them and get the confirmation, and we can proceed with the process. If you are running a t-shirt business, which I am doing, which I am going to show you how to get customers' details using Google Forms. We can use these details, save it in our database, then call them, sell our product. To open Google Form, you can type it in the Google search, or you can log in with a Gmail account. Once you log in with a Gmail account, you can see 9 dots will appear. These are collection of Google's applications. You can click it, you can scroll down, you will see an option called Forms. This is Google's form. It's a Google's product. Click on it, it will open. Now guys, you can either create a blank form and build the entire form section by section for your project, or Google also offers pre-designed templates. If you click template gallery, you will also see more number of templates which you can choose it and then simply edit the template and use it to collect the information. For example, today we are going to see an order form for my t-shirt business. So click on this template. It's very easy to edit. Now you can see the template is opened. Now the Google's order form is open. It has a theme. This entire thing is one section. And each section is divided with lot of questions. We can use the same questions, or we can delete the question and build our own question. You can see this vertical bar is going to help us build questions. Now first, let me start with the title. The title I gave is custom t-shirt. We can bold, italize and underline like MS Word editing. We can also insert a link. Now I am going to edit the text section. Now I have edited few details. We offer customized t-shirts, high grade cotton, all the important details about my product. We deliver the product to your doorstep anywhere in India. Here we can also highlight this and make it bold. And also I'm going to paste my website link here. Okay. So you can just use this option insert link and then insert the link here, not this. Okay, so that if someone clicks on it, it'll directly go to our website. Now I've used the bullet options. All these things you can do in MS Word. Now the next question, which I do not want, are you new or existing customer? It doesn't matter for me. So I'm going to delete it. How to delete this? Just click on it. You will see an option delete. Click delete. The question will disappear. Okay, now I'm going to add my own custom question. So click on the plus here in the right side, add a question, and a question will appear. So I am going to build my own question. So my next question, I'm going to get this input from the customer. What color do you want? Very important. So here, if you choose After the question, you have an option. Click on this. You can see you can ask either a short answer or a paragraph of answer, or you can give the options, ask them to choose multiple choice questions or check boxes or a drop down. You can also ask your customers to upload their interest, any color they have, any mock-ups, they can upload it here. Linear scale is for ratings. Rating is also for rating. Multiple choice grid, checkbox grid is for big projects. But anyways, we will not be using all those things. Date and time is to get date and time. It depends on what kind of project we are using. So I'm going to go for checkboxes and I'm going to give first option as navy blue. For the next option, you will have to click add option here and option 2 will appear. You can type sea green and all other colors which we offer for the first 180 GSM t-shirt. Well guys, I have given all the options here and I'm going to choose whether it is really required or mandatory option for the customers to enter or not. Talking about a t-shirt business, knowing a color, which color they like, it's very important. So I'm going to give required. So sometimes when we are filling a form, you can see a star option which will say it is a mandatory field that you have to enter. That is what the required here means. You can also duplicate a form or delete a form. If you click on these three options, you can give more description, you can response validation, this is not important, and you can also shuffle these options order. Now I'm going to go for the next question here. What colors do you like? Unfortunately, we already gave this, so I'm deleting this. Click on it, click delete, it will go away. So guys, once you gave required, you can see a star mark for this question. Now we are going to go for the next question. The next important question for our product, what we have to get is the size. Before I ask the size, I want them to show them what kind of sizes we do the shirts for. So for that, I'm going to insert an image. To insert an image, you can see the right side, scroll down, you can see add image. Click on it, upload it from your computer. Now you can see the image is uploaded, but it is next to my question. So I want to delete this question so that after this question, the image size chart is here. Okay, you can give a title for the image if you want. Okay, now let us add another question below this image. Add a question. Now I've added another question. What is your size? I don't want this. Other sizes which I have mentioned here, and I have just entered the size. We don't offer XXL size. It comes under oversized t-shirt. This is only 180 GSM t-shirt. We also have an oversized t-shirt. So I'm not going to confuse this. This is only for a particular product. So we offer only till XL for this product. Okay, and I'm going to give it as required. And I'm going to go to the next question. The contact information. Definitely we need the name and then the contact information. So I'm going to delete this. We don't want this. The name, the phone number, the email address and contact method. I don't want these contact methods. I'm deleting this. Now I'm going to give the name, the number. If you want number and email ID to be prioritized, you can just see the 6 dots, click and drag and drop, it will come to the top. Your name, then email address, then phone number. You can align this or sort this according to your requirement. Now the name is a mandatory field. Yes. Email address, it is not mandatory. We don't want email address. Phone number is definitely mandatory. All these things are marked as short answers. Comments, if you need anything, yes, of course, but I'm not going to give long answers for these comments. I'm going to delete this, add a question, say comments, and then give a short answer for this, right? Now it is not required, so that's it. So these are the details we are going to collect from the customers, and then we will pitch them our product later. Now this design is not to my brand. It is a random picture. This is a theme. We are going to change the theme. To change the theme, before we jump into change the theme, we will also explore other options here. You can import the questions from your computer from other forms. You can also add a title and a description separately. This is where we uploaded the image. You can also upload a video here. And you can create a new section. This entire thing is one section. If you click on this, another section will appear where you need more number of sections for a particular, it depends on your product. So I don't want the section. We can simply do Ctrl Z to undo this, or we can simply click on delete section. Alright, now our form is ready. We will go to the next options, the top right options. First one is customize the theme. Click on it. You can customize the theme, the header, any questions you want to add, any text you want to add, all those things you can customize here. The sizes. Here the image uploaded is not ours. It does not suit to our brand. So I'm going to upload another image. So click on cross, choose an image, upload it from my computer. Now the image is uploaded. My brand's name is Danny Wins Collections. We can also change the theme color. We can give any color to the borders. We can just customize the way we want. The next option is preview. Once you click preview, you can get a preview of your designed form. Okay. Now, then come back to the form. We can undo and redo anything here, or we can simply press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y. We can copy the responder link. We will talk about this responder link later. Then you can share this form to anybody if you want. If someone else has a better editing skills, or they want to add any other section, they have a lot of ideas. The same office, different employee, you can share it to them. Once you publish, a form will be published and we'll get a responder link. Okay. Now click on these options. You can make a copy of this. You can move it to trash. You can embed it, the HTML, to any of the websites or any of your blogs. You can print it. Let's not explore about these things, and keyboard shortcuts. Okay. Guys, our form is ready. Now the next option we can see here, these are the questions we fill. Now click on the responses, and we have no responses because our form is not yet published. So go to settings. We can also make it a quiz. Click on the responses. You can collect their email addresses if you want. I said don't collect, so it is a default option, so I'm not disturbing that. Okay. Now you can make it a presentation here. You can show progress bar for the presentation. Whatever way you want to turn this entire form, you can do it. Okay. You can also edit a confirmation message for them. And these are form defaults. These are question defaults. So there is no need to change anything. Now guys, we are going to publish this form. To publish this, click on publish, and responders, anyone with a link. Click on manage. Always make sure the responder view is anyone with a link. If you click on restricted, nobody will be able to input their details. So choose anyone with the links and click on done. Then click on publish. Our Google form is published. Now we are going to copy the link. How can we share this form to everyone and ask them to enter their details? This is the copy responder link. Copy it. Click on copy, and you can share this link to anyone, ask them to enter the details, then we will call them, sell our product. Go to home and click on blank form. This form, we are going to design everything from scratch. Whatever we saw in the template form, we can build entire form from scratch the way we want. If you want to put a theme design, you can click themes here, add a question here, import any questions from anywhere from your computer, add a title, add an image, add a video, do more sections, settings, edit your form, all the details, publish, and that's it. Learn how to create a Google form. Now we are going to learn how to integrate the Google form in our WordPress website. Create a button, and remember we copied a responder link, just paste it. Let's see how to do it. So we are inside my WordPress dashboard, click on pages, all pages, and then scroll down. I'm opening tutorial. Here is where we are going to edit. So I'm deleting everything. Click on a layout, choose a flex box. Okay, insert a container. Inside the container, insert a heading and then a button below the heading. Now you can type anything you want. So I have given a title, fill the form, and then I have named the button as form details. I'm not going to go through all the steps of editing. I'm just showing how to integrate the form. Click on form details, which is a button, and here we have the link. Simply place the responder link here. Click on the form details and paste the corresponder link, the Google corresponder link which we copied. Publish and preview. Once you see the preview, you have the fill the form option. Click on form details, it will take us to our Google form. You see this? Simply we can choose whatever the options we want, and once you hit submit, the Google form will be received in the email which we gave in the settings. So guys, Google form is an effective way of collecting data. If you go to my website, you can also see I have integrated Google form here because it is the easy way of collecting users' information. This is the traditional form which I have in my contact us page. This comes with WordPress. This is also a best form. However, unlike this traditional form of WordPress, Google Forms are really effective. You can simply share the link, collect the customer's data, and then sell your product. So guys, we are going to see a lot of things in the upcoming sessions. This is only a start. So we are going to learn a lot of things. So stay with us, and I hope you guys will have an amazing learning experience every time you visit our channel. Please share this to anyone who wants to learn about Google Forms. See you next week with another tutorial or a podcast. We do not know. Let's see.